everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a teacher or aspiring to be one, you know how important it is to constantly improve your teaching skills. Today, we're going to share some effective tips and strategies that can help you become a more engaging and effective teacher. Let's get started. First and foremost, know your audience. Understanding the age, background, and interests of your students can help you tailor your lessons to be more relevant and engaging. Conduct surveys or have informal chats to get to know your students better. When you know what interests your students, you can incorporate those topics into your lessons. This makes learning more relatable and fun for them. Tip number 2. Use varied teaching methods. Not all students learn the same way. Some are visual learners, while others might be auditory or kinesthetic learners. Mix up your teaching methods by using videos, discussions, hands-on activities, and traditional lectures to cater to different learning styles. By varying your methods, you keep the classroom dynamic and cater to the needs of all your students. Tip 3. Be clear and concise. Clarity is key when teaching. Make sure your instructions are straightforward and your explanations are easy to understand. Avoid using jargon or overly complex language, especially with younger students. Break down complex ideas into manageable chunks and use analogies or stories to make them more relatable. Tip 4. Provide constructive feedback. Feedback is essential for student growth. Make sure your feedback is specific, timely, and focused on improvement. Praise effort and progress, and provide clear guidance on how to improve. Constructive feedback helps students understand their strengths and areas for improvement, motivating them to keep trying. Tip 5. Stay organized. An organized teacher creates an organized learning environment. Keep your materials and lesson plans well structured. Use planners, digital tools, or apps to manage your schedule and keep track of assignments. Organization reduces stress for both you and your students, making the learning process smoother. Tip 6. Foster a positive learning environment. Create a classroom atmosphere that is supportive, inclusive, and respectful. Encourage collaboration, celebrate diversity, and make sure every student feels valued. A positive environment boosts student morale and enhances learning. And finally, Tip 7. Continue learning and growing. As a teacher, never stop learning. Attend workshops, take courses, read books, and stay updated with the latest teaching strategies and technologies. The more you learn, the better you can teach. Embrace lifelong learning to keep your teaching skills sharp. There you have it. 7 tips to improve your teaching skills. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching!